dear students, today we will be studying about the cell organelles. Earlier we have studied about the plasma membrane of the cell, about the cytoplasm of the cell and about the nucleus of the cell. Now it is the turn of cell organelles. So what are cell organelles? They are the membrane bound structures which are present in the cytoplasm. As I have already discussed it with you, that there are certain structures which are present, which are suspended into the fluid like component or the jelly like substance, that is the cytoplasm of the cell, and they are known as cell organelles. So the different cell organelles are mitochondria, chloroplast, nucleus, endoplasmic reticulum and many more. We will be discussing about them one by one. Now there are certain structures which are found in the cytoplasm which are not bounded by any membrane, and they are known as cell inclusions, and they are ribosomes and centriole. We will study about them also in detail. Now first of all we will start with the first cell organelle, that is endoplasmic reticulum. So the structure of endoplasmic reticulum consists of irregular network of channels which is surrounded by a membrane, and they are interconnected with each other. The endoplasmic reticulum contains many channels which are surrounded by membrane, and these channels are interconnected with each other. They can be seen with the help of electron microscope only. Now these endoplasmic reticulum are of further two types. They are rough endoplasmic reticulum and smooth endoplasmic reticulum. If on the surface of endoplasmic reticulum ribosomes are present, then such type of ER is known as rough endoplasmic reticulum, or in short it is also written as R.E.R. And if in case on the surface no ribosomes are present, then it is termed to be as the smooth endoplasmic reticulum, or S.E.R. So now this is the structure of the endoplasmic reticulum. You can see over here that it generally surrounds the nucleus. This is the nucleus, diagrammatic pictorial representation of nucleus, and around the nucleus this endoplasmic reticulum is found, which consists of different channel like structure, as you can see over here, and these channels are interconnected with each other. Fine. Now you can see there are two types of ER. One is rough ER, one is smooth ER. So if ribosomes, these dot like structures, ribosomes are present on the surface of the endoplasmic reticulum, they are termed to be as rough ER, rough endoplasmic reticulum. And if ribosomes are not present, as you can see over here the surface is smooth, then it is termed to be as the smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Now the functions of the endoplasmic reticulum. Since the function of the ribosomes is the synthesis of the protein, so if ribosomes are present on ER, that is rough endoplasmic reticulum, then that ER or rough endoplasmic reticulum is involved in the synthesis of the protein, and the smooth endoplasmic reticulum are involved in the synthesis of the lipids or fat molecules. It also helps in the transport of the substances like proteins from within the cell, okay, that is the intracellular transport of the substance. Then it also helps in the synthesis of the steroid hormones which detoxify many poisons and drugs, and endoplasmic reticulum also acts as the skeleton system of the cell. Okay. Now comes the membrane biogenesis. So what is membrane biogenesis? The smooth endoplasmic reticulum is involved in the synthesis of the lipids or fats, and it carries out an important function of the cell. And rough endoplasmic reticulum is involved in the synthesis of the proteins, and we all know that the proteins and lipids are very much helpful in the building of the cell membrane. isn't it? As we have studied the structure of the plasma membrane, it was made from the lipids and proteins only. So this process is known as membrane biogenesis. So whatever proteins and lipids which are required for the building of the cell membrane, they are produced in turn by the endoplasmic reticulum, and that too, smooth endoplasmic reticulum leads to the formation of the lipids, and the rough endoplasmic reticulum leads to the formation of the proteins. And I am again repeating, these proteins and lipids are helpful in the formation of the cell membrane, and this whole process is known as membrane biogenesis. So dear students, we will stop today here itself and will continue in the next lecture. Thank you very much.